Welcome to my channel, Absolute Quiz Blitz. In this video, let's play a most fun and interesting game, Choose Your Gift. There are pink, black, and blue gift boxes. 2 good and 1 bad gift. There are 40 rounds and you need to choose your gift in 5 seconds. Don't forget to share your best gift and not so best gift in comment section. Test your luck and let's get started. Before starting, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for more interesting videos. First one, choose your house. Next one, choose your car. Choose your watch. Choose your jacket. Choose your ice cream. Choose your handbag. Choose your keyboard. Next one, choose your phone. Choose your dining. Choose your popcorn. Choose your motorbike. Choose your teddy bear. Choose your cake. Choose your vacation. Choose your backpack. Choose your burger. Next one, choose your pet. Choose your gift. Choose your bedroom. Choose your pasta. Choose your shoes. Choose your nails. Choose your dress. Choose your headphones. Choose your skaters. Choose your glasses. Choose your milkshake. Choose your chair. Next one, choose your cap. Choose your heels. Choose your ring. Choose your lamp. Choose your purse. Choose your bicycle. Choose your perfume. Next one, choose your laptop. Choose your yacht. Choose your AirPods. Choose your guitar. Choose your bathroom. Thank you for watching. Like and follow for more interesting videos.